Google next big flagship, that is Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro's rumor has been started flying around. Here we have the very early look of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. It seems the successor of Pixel 6, that is Pixel 7 design, is not more different than the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. According to the design, we don't see any noticeable changes in the last year's Pixel device. From the front we see same center punch hole cutout for the selfie camera with the narrow bezels in the Pixel 7. The biggest difference between the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 will be that it will debut with the second generation of Tensor chip. Let's see how second generation of Tensor chip will compete with the latest and greatest Snapdragon Generation 1 chip. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro is still 6 to 7 months far from its launch.